Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, I just wanted to briefly discuss my journey with Bitcoin, how I got into it, how I became a full-fledged Bitcoiner. So I think at first I just came into crypto and Bitcoin as more just an investment opportunity. I thought the technology seemed cool and thought like it was a good way to make profit investing. And I started out with the mostly Bitcoin, like learning about Bitcoin, but also a good amount, and wasted way too much time learning about altcoins and kind of trading more small cap coins. And I just slowly started learning, and the more I learned and experienced on my own, the more I went into Bitcoin only. So now I can proudly say I'm 100% Bitcoin only, no altcoins. And yeah, it took a long journey of just self-exploration and learning to get there. And that's kind of why I wanted to create this channel, so I could educate others to avoid making the same mistakes that I did when learning about investing and learning about crypto, to be focused on Bitcoin only and to be focused on why Bitcoin was created and the problems that it solves. So if I had one piece of advice to give to new Bitcoiners, it would be to just learn the fundamentals of what money is, how money works, and how the dollar works and other fiat currencies. I think that's the best place to start, and I think Bitcoin only is the best way to go. Obviously, I can't stop anyone from trading altcoins, and if you want to trade altcoins to in a attempt to buy more Bitcoin, I don't think that's a smart strategy, but I think, yeah, Bitcoin only is the way to go. So just long-term, Bitcoin is what will survive and thrive. Other coins will always come and go. Just even since, if you go look back at like 2017 and all the coins that existed, most of them don't exist today. So some people can get lucky and find the next altcoin to rip, but it is extremely unlikely that you're going to do so, and it's also extremely unlikely that you're going to outperform Bitcoin. So XRP is the altcoin that has a lot of hype right now, and I think this is an important perspective to share. XRP is a complete scam. It is a coin created by the company Ripple Labs, and over half of those coins were given to the executives and the company itself, Ripple. Whereas if you price XRP in Bitcoin, it just trends to zero. There's a few spikes here and there based on their hype and their marketing team, but really everything trends to zero when priced in Bitcoin. There's recently a price spike, but that is just artificial, and yeah, Bitcoin has a creator, but that creator left Bitcoin as a gift to the world. They didn't sell any of their coins or take any personal glory from what they created, whereas the creators of XRP are eager to sell you their bags. And they gave all these coins to themselves when they created XRP, and they are only ever going to sell their coins, right? They're not going out and buying more XRP because they already own half the supply. So their only goal is to market XRP to you, try to get retail investors to buy it, and then sell it to you. So that's a little bit about why I created this channel and how I became a Bitcoiner. And my mission is really just to spread Bitcoin education to as many people as I can. Bitcoin is so much more than an investment. It's a movement, a social movement, a political movement, and it is just a technology that was created to make the world a better place. And that's why my mission is to spread education and awareness. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I also recently created a Substack where I'll be writing more in-depth articles about my thoughts about different stories within Bitcoin, so I'll leave a link to that below. So hit subscribe, join the movement, and together let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.